It would be really nice if you would like and subscribe to the channel.
I just got this in, and it's a flat fix. I don't know if it's gonna work. Hopefully I never need it. This is gonna be a look at. I don't need it at this time, but again, hopefully I'll never need it. So it's interesting. I saw in the pictures on Amazon how it works. You use, oh wow. So you have to go to the website. It's not instructions here at all. You use this pliers to pull out like the nail or something. Now do this at your own risk. I'm just showing you everything that comes with this. So it comes with a pair of pliers. And this is how you're supposed to use it. I have no idea how to use it. And this is supposed to be what you use to plug it in or to screw in, actually. So it's a new idea. It's supposedly these are made some type of material that when you have a hole, let's say you have a nail, you pull the nail out. I would be near a flat fix just in case anything, or somewhere where I can add air right away before I ever try this. Hopefully I won't need it. So this is supposed to be some kind of material that's supposed to become part of the tire. Now the link and the info will be on the webpage, and you can get details on that. So you got a hole like that, and you this will only work for a small hole, not a tear. You screw this in, this is supposed to like become part of the tire. I don't know how well it works, and again, I hope I never have to use it. So this is the actual screwdriver, pliers, some of the screws. Let me see how many screws come inside the actual item. So I have 61 of those screws, or those pieces that come with the actual device itself in this little container. And again, hopefully I won't need it, but just in case I'm in an emergency situation, I have nothing else, I can use this. So it's again, it's a pretty cool idea if you're in an emergency and you have access and you see it leaking and you have no other choice. This will come in handy. So again, this was a look at Phillips screwdriver. Let me do a close-up look at this thing. I don't know what it's made of. I guess you could get the details on the page itself. And the link is below. Some kind of seal there. All right. So this was a look at and the pliers. So I'll just carry this in my car. And again, hopefully I'll never need it. Just before I end the video, I just want to see if these were magnetic. So I took a magnet of mine. This is a magnet. It's magnetic. Look at that. So I guess what this has just a seal just above it. Hold on one second. That seal just below that area right there is, I guess it's all coated. This metal screw is coated. You're still going to need to repair the tire. Make sure you get it repaired after you use this, if you need to use this. But it is a metal screw. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
thank you for liking and subscribing to my dad's channel.